Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another video. I just stopped off at Toys R Us Langley with plastic prehistory from Instagram. Say hello.
Hi.
Anyway, so these new Attack Pack figures just came out. I'm doing this in a mall, how weird. Wait, show off the Aspen case. So the dinosaurs, when you pull up on the tail, its frill and mouth opens. That's really wicked. Okay. And then grab Delta. Oh, look at that new color scheme. Absolutely beautiful. And it's got the slashing arms or whatever. And yeah, and you guys know what the figure looks like. So anyways, I'm going to do an unboxing later of those. But again, my uploading's been slow. They're probably going to watch this after like 50 because I got a new computer and I don't know how to upload. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.